Hello and welcome to RevenueTube and our new video, how to make money on YouTube, safer outsourcing. RevenueTube is about giving you the keys you need to start and succeed at your own online business. In this video, I'll cover one of my top 10 productivity tools for helping you to collaborate with virtual assistants or online team members to get what you need done easily and safely. In a minute, I'm going to show you a couple of very important features that make this tool pure gold and show you why you need it in your toolkit. Okay, so we all know we have a gazillion passwords for all our sites, apps and programs, and whilst Google does manage them to an extent, a password manager is incredibly useful these days, particularly if you're working across multiple platforms and devices. But today we won't be discussing passwords for your own access. Today we will be specifically focusing on LastPass's superb secure collaboration and access sharing feature. Here's the problem. Sometimes we need to hire specialists and experts to help us with various elements of our business. We know how to outsource, but how do we safely provide these experts with access to our programs easily and securely without having to continually create and replace passwords? This is where LastPass comes in. Let me show you how easy it is to share access to one of your programs with a collaborator. Okay, once LastPass has opened up, the interface looks like this. Simply choose the app, site or program you want to share with someone. Click on the Share button, which appears in the small toolbar of the app thumbnail as you hover over it. Add the email address of the person you want to share with. Click Share, and voila! And removing that access when the job is complete is as simple as this. Now, there's a couple of important things to mention before you get started. The person you're sharing with must have LastPass installed and have already logged in at least once, or the share won't work. You can and should also install LastPass Chrome extension if you want it to manage all of your passwords and access safely and easily. Hopefully you found this presentation helpful in preparation for how to make money on YouTube. If you'd like to know more about this tool or have any other questions, please leave a comment below. In our next video, I'll be showing you how you can instantly save up to 95% of your computer's memory in a single click. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more great tips, tricks and tools.